this one is a non-calculator question, and we have to prove that the shape shown below cannot possibly be the face of a cuboid. So what you have to think is, if you have a cuboid, all of the faces must be either a square or a rectangle. In fact, they must be rectangles because by definition a square is a rectangle. So all faces of a cuboid must be rectangular. So then it begs the question, is this a rectangle? So if we can show that this is not a rectangle, we can show, as the question asks, that this cannot be the face of a cuboid. I'm going to make a few sketches. I'm going to label each of the corners of this shape, B, C and D. I'm then going to dissect a triangle, and the reason for this is because if this triangle is right angled, then this is a rectangle. If it's not right angled, then you can't possibly have a rectangle. So at this point, you absolutely cannot put a square like this. This is not allowed. The reason for that is we don't know if this is right angled or not, so you cannot do this at this point. So going to clear this up. We also cannot write anything like this. Go back. You also cannot write this. So many pupils, they either write this and start substituting the numbers in, so 17 squared and so on, or they do this, then start substituting numbers. You cannot do this because the point of the question is to show that you have a right angled triangle or you don't. You cannot assume that until you've conducted all of the calculations. What you do though is you write AC squared on one side, so you do not equate AB squared plus AC, no, BC squared. Give this another look. AC is 17, so 17 squared. And if you do the long multiplication on this one, you get 289. So this one, there's no calculator permitted in this one. So you have to do some calculations by hand. Then we have AB is 8 squared plus 14 squared. 64 plus 196 is 260. So these are not equal, so we can say that 289 not equal to 260, and also that AC squared is not equal to AB squared plus BC squared. And triangle ABC does not obey Pythagoras. So it does not obey Pythagoras' theorem. I think it's the O before the R. I think, yeah. But we've not quite answered the question. So we say ABC is not right angled. So if ABC is not right angled, then ABCD, the shape we started with, is not a rectangle. So it is not a cuboid face. You have to give the explanation of why your calculations back up the fact that, well, first of all, it's not right angled, so you don't have a rectangle as the full shape, and so it cannot be the face of a cuboid. So I hope you found this useful, and yeah, best of luck with the studying. Thank you for watching.